Hi everyone, today we're gonna make pizza! For this project, I will be using red, yellow, and orange. You will also need 3D printing pen. You can use any brand, any model. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now we have finished our pizza. This one is cheese pizza and it's pizza with pepperoni on it. If you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestion for my next video, leave a comment down below and let me know. I will try my best to make it happen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!